So welcome students. So in this question you are given a fifth degree equation x power 5 minus 40x power 4 plus px cube plus qx square plus rx plus s is equal to 0. And it's given that the roots of this equation are in geometric progression and the sum of the reciprocals of the roots is equal to 10. So you are given a fifth degree equation and you are given that the roots of that equation are in GP and the sum of the reciprocals of the roots is equal to 10. And using this information, you are asked to find the value of mod s. That is, you are asked to find the absolute value of x, the numerical value of x, numerical value of s. Now, so how do we use the given information? So first, it's given that the roots of this equation are in GP. So we know that this is a fifth degree equation. There are 5 roots for this equation. So let the roots be a by r square, a by r, a, ar square, where a by r square is the first term and the common ratio is r. Each term is getting multiplied by r in succession. So let the 5 roots be this. Now from this equation, the coefficient of x power 4 is minus 40. So we know that the sum of the roots of this expression is minus of x power 4 coefficient by x power 5 coefficient. So sum of the roots, that is a by r square plus a by r plus a plus ar plus ar square is equal to minus of x power 4 coefficient by x power 5 coefficient, that is equal to 40. And the product of the roots is minus of constant term by x power 5. The product of the roots is a by r square into a by r into a into ar into ar square will be equal to minus s. These are the two things that we know from this equation. Next, what is the third information that we have? The sum of the reciprocals of the roots is equal to 10. That is, if you reciprocate each root and then add them, the result is 10. That is, a by r square becomes r square by a plus r by a plus 1 by a plus 1 by ar plus 1 by ar square. So the sum of this is equal to 10. So this is the mathematical way in which we represent the given information. So now from this information, can you find the value of s? That's the question. So you can see that r square and r square gets cancelled, r and r gets cancelled. So s minus s is nothing but a power 5. Minus s is nothing but a power 5. If you can find a, then you can get the value of s. Now how do you find a? Can you use these two expressions? So the second expression is nothing but a times, if you take a as common, 1 by r square plus 1 by r plus 1 plus r square is equal to 40. From the third expression, if you take 1 by a as common, you have r square plus r plus 1 by r plus 1 by r square. So this is given as 10. Now if you divide one equation by the other equation, so this and this term gets cancelled because these two terms are same. A by 1 by a is a square is equal to 4. This implies a is equal to plus or minus 2. So if a is plus or minus 2, a power 5 is plus or minus 32 is equal to minus s. So s effectively is equal to plus or minus 32. So what is modulus of s? What is the absolute value of s? Absolute value of s is equal to 32. So the answer to this question is 32. Thank you.